We have all been there. You get an important document sent to you. Maybe it's a tax form, a rental application, or a contract. You open it up, click on the text line to start typing, and nothing happens. It's essentially a flat image, a non-editable PDF. That's frustrating because it feels like your only options are to print it out, fill it out by hand, and scan it back into your computer. It's a massive waste of time. Today, I'm going to show you how to use PDF.net to fill out any non-editable, locked, or scanned PDF online in just a few minutes, without downloading any sketchy software. PDF.net works totally on your browser, and you can access your documents from any device. If you want to follow along with your own document, click the link down in the description, open up PDF.net, and let's get it done together. If you already have your form, you can simply drag and drop your file right into the upload box on the homepage. You can add those fields on your own, dragging them into the document. PDF.net gives you as well the possibility to add fields that you want someone else to fill. Click on Assign and Send, choose the fields. Add the recipient's details, and then click on Send the request. Otherwise, PDF.net features a tax and financial documents that are instantly fillable and downloadable. They come already with interactive input fields. So you just need to click and fill them. Go try it out right now for free at PDF.net. The link is down in the description. If this video helped you solve a document headache today, please give it a like, leave a comment letting me know what kind of form you were working on, and subscribe to the channel for Know What Else You Can Do with PDF.net. I'll see you in the next video.